Shri Sridhar Babu on the dais to address as Minister of IT for the state of Tamil Nadu.
A very good evening to all. Andariki namaskaram. గౌరవ ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు శ్రీ రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారితో పాటు ఈరోజు మాతో పాటు ప్రత్యేకంగా వచ్చేసిన గౌరవ స్థానిక శాసనసభ్యులు ప్రకాష్ గౌడ్ గారు, అదేవిధంగా కాగ్నిజెంట్ టెక్నాలజీకి సంబంధించిన మన ప్రాంతవాసి, అంతర్జాతీయ స్థాయిలో ఈ ప్రాంతానికి సంబంధించి అనేక మంది దిగ్గజాలు ఈరోజు ప్రతిబింబిస్తుంటే వారిలో ఒకరు. మరి ప్రత్యేకంగా సూర్య గారికి, ఖ్యాతి గారికి, కిమ్ గారికి, మా ఐటీ స్పెషల్ సిఎస్ జయేష్ రంజన్ గారు, ఇతర అధికారులతో పాటు కాగ్నిజెంట్ సంబంధించిన ఈరోజు ఈ దేశంలో పనిచేస్తూ ఉన్న వివిధ ప్రాంతాల నుంచి వచ్చేసిన బిజినెస్ లీడర్స్కి, టెక్నాలజీ లీడర్స్కి, హైదరాబాద్లో పనిచేస్తూ ఉన్న కాగ్నిజెంట్ ఎంప్లాయీస్కి అందరికీ కూడా ప్రత్యేకంగా హృదయపూర్వకంగా శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తాను. I would like to say a few points. Today we have just come down after a hectic tour of a week and so to the US and South Korea. In fact, I have to thank Mr. Ravi Kumar Garu. He was supposed to be here, and the pace and the fastness over the period of 6 months, I never thought it would happen. Surya Garu and Ravi Garu, when we met in Davos, in fact our Chief Minister told them, please complete your office and see that more employees, and especially the people from Telangana, are employed within no time. And in fact, I never thought, we just thought it would be started in December, but you have done it way ahead of time. Congratulations to all your team who had made it possible. The point I would like to mention here is, it's not only about IT, it's about the environment over here, it's about the work culture over here, it's about the availability of the talented pool which is here. Everywhere we had gone, we have visited a couple of cities, and everybody was talking about Hyderabad. And in fact, it has not grown over a period of a decade. It has grown over a period of 3 to 4 decades. And Cognizant is an example. Cognizant didn't start in 2014 or 15. When we have taken the initial steps towards the information technology in 1992, in the same area of Cyberabad today, in 1992, then our Chief Minister laid the foundation stone for the software technology park. Then we started our innings. As such, in 2002, I believe, the Cognizant had put their foot, and I think with 189 employees, they started their innings. Now, with the advent of this new office, it will be 60,000 and above. So, if you look back and see, we have been ascribing the same. When we started in 1992, we were there, our government was there for a few years. We laid the foundation. Later, other government has taken for 10 years. They moved forward. In 2004, when we formed the government back, we continued the same environment with lots of vigor and the strength and the momentum we gave, and that's the time the IT was evolving. And 2014 and 2023, when Globe was looking out for different technologies, especially the evolving technologies, the deep tech technologies, and the disruptive technologies. This is the time where everybody has to put in their heart and soul, and in fact, along with Cognizant, 200 odd GCCs over here who work over here, they have spent the time, energy, and the resources to see that the Hyderabad is growing. So this is a time, our Chief Minister vision. And I would like to indicate the leadership of the Cognizant over here too. This is a leap we would like to take. This is a leap our Chief Minister would like to take. The disruptive technologies are in place. If we don't integrate, if we don't embrace the technology of AI, we will be held back. So that's the real reason we just thought of integrating AI into each and every vertical of our governance as well as into the private sector too and move forward. So how do we do that? So for that we have to create the infrastructure, we have to create the environment which can be conducive for all these employees to upskill and reskill their knowledge to make them, global competent in terms of all these disruptive technologies. Even it may be AI, it may be cyber security, it may be data analytics, it may be quantum or any other technology. We would wish to see this Cognizant technology leaders as well as employees also grows along with the technology's demand in the global arena. So we have started and we are going to build a AI city which shall be the state of architecture over there. And also we are holding a AI Global Conference on 5th and 6th, and our Chief Minister would like to invite the team here to take part in that global conference and share your views so that we are starting the innings for tomorrow, and may the technology what we are trying to embrace and integrate into each and every part of our governance and each and every part of our verticals of our state shall grow in leaps and bounds. So I just thought of sharing with this. Cognizant is a big leader in terms of tech field, not only in India, at the global level too. When we have visited them in New York and New Jersey, and they had a great name, and we carry the great name, the name back here, all the employees of Cognizant make the team great. And with this beautiful environment over here, with a huge office space, with all the amenities, it's not only a creation of this Cognizant workspace, it also indicates, as said by the leaders over here, it also indicates Hyderabad is such a place where everybody can grow. And we have created this environment, and we would like to enhance this environment to the next stage. With these few words, I congratulate each and every member over here who have been doing the great job for the past 2 to 3 decades, and also we made this possible for the new office within these 6 months. I congratulate you once again and thank you.
Thank you, Minister. Thanks for the encouraging address. We have